Hello from McNally Motors. Today I'd like to show you this 212 Corolla Saloon Hybrid Luna. It's a demonstrator model. This car comes with LED headlights, LED fog lamps, finished in silver. It's 16-inch alloy wheels. This car is in the low tax bracket, 180 a year, and it's taxed until next May. Comes with remote central locking, electric windows all around. Bodywork in stunning condition. Low mileage of 3,800 kilometers. Very spacious boot. Safety kit supplied. Reverse camera, just here. In the back we have Isofix seats, centre armrest with cup holders, loads of legroom in the back. Up front we have a velour interior, centre armrest with cup holders. We have an 8-inch Toyota touchscreen radio with reverse camera, multifunctional leather steering wheel, dual climate control, cruise control. We have lane assist, also and pre-collision alert. Just some of the extras are standard on this car. It also has Bluetooth, air conditioning, and push button start. So that's our 212 Corolla Hybrid demonstrator. For more details and finance options, call our sales team here on 04333 45621 and they will help you out. Thank you.